So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you what is the difference between a shell, a subshell and an orbital. So this is a nucleus. The closest layer is known as K shell, the other layer is known as L shell, the other layer is known as M shell, and the outermost layer is known as N shell. This is N, that is known as principal quantum number. Here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The K shell comprises of subshell. That is, it consists of, the K shell consists of S subshell, the L shell consists of S and P subshell, that is 2. The M shell consists of 3 subshells, that is S, P and D, and the N shell contains 4 subshells, that is S, P, D and F. I hope you must have understand what is a shell, a subshell. Each shell contains another subshell. Suppose if there is K shell, it will consist S subshell. If there is L shell, it will contain S and P subshell. So now we'll proceed. What is an orbital? Orbital is a vicinity, that is a space where electron reside. An orbital is a square box. It is represented by a square box and it contains maximum of only. In other words, we can also say that orbitals of a subshell is the probability of finding an electron. जैसे मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया फॉर एस ऑर्बिटल, तो उसमें एक ही ऑर्बिटल होता है, दैट इज इट विल कंटेन मैक्सिमम ऑफ ओनली 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट p orbital, it contains 3 orbitals. So 3 orbitals, that is, if one orbital contains 2 electrons, the 3 orbitals will contain maximum of 6 electrons. So the p orbital has maximum 6 electrons. If I'll talk about d orbital, it contains 5 orbitals, that is 10 electrons. So d orbital can possess maximum of only 10 electrons. If I'll talk about f orbital, it contains 7 orbitals, that is 14 electrons. That is, it can possess maximum of only 14 electrons. So S is equal to 2 electrons, P is equal to 6 electrons, D is equal to 10 electrons, and F is equal to 14 electrons.